Hey everyone, welcome back! Now that we have our core input logic and character linkages fully established from the pistol video, we can really start picking up the pace. Today we are setting up our assault rifle. Because our foundational weapon component is already wired into the character, we don't have to rebuild our inputs from scratch. Instead, we're focusing strictly on the unique features of the rifle, setting up full auto rapid fire and handling different weapon cycling modes. This setup is going to be a few minutes faster than the last one, so let's jump straight into the editor and get it done. First things first, let's open up our assault rifle skeletal mesh and make a static mesh. Just like we did with the pistol, we need a point for our projectiles to exit from. In the socket manager, create a new socket, name it Muzzle, and center it perfectly right at the end of the barrel. Save that and close it out. We need to tell our character skeleton how to physically hold the rifle. Open your character skeleton, go to the right-hand bone, and add a new socket. Give it a distinct name like Rifle. Right-click it, add your assault rifle static mesh as a preview mesh, and carefully adjust the rotation and position so the character grips it properly with both hands. Remember this exact name of this socket for later. Let's head into our data folder. I'll just duplicate the pistol data asset and rename this one DA_rifle. Open it up and populate the fields, assigning your character's corresponding animation montages. Open up your weapon data table, add a new row, and remember, no spaces in the row name, so just call it Assault Rifle. Fill out the fields to match the rifle's unique behavior. Set your weapon type, type in the exact name of your hand socket, and assign the DA_rifle data asset. Go ahead and define your ammunition settings here, specifying your starting clip, clip capacity, and your maximum reserve ammo, as well as the meshes, sound, and particle effects. Let's open our character blueprint to map our new inputs. First, duplicate your select weapon node. Change the input node to key press 3, call select weapon from the component, and change the index value to 2. I forgot to do this here. Next, we need a way to switch between semi, burst, and full auto. Duplicate your interaction key node, change its value to the F key, and pull off your weapon component to call cycle fire mode. Connect the pressed pins straight into it. Compile and save. Open your animation blueprint. On your Blend Poses by EWS item type nodes, right-click and add the assault rifle pin to both nodes. Drag in your rifle idle animation and plug it into the lower Blend Pose pin. Then, grab your rifle aiming idle animation and plug it into the top Blend Pose pin. Compile and go to the Animation Preview tab. From the Current Weapon Type drop-down, select the Assault Rifle, tick the boxes for Is Equipped and Is Aiming to see that the character is actually going to do the animations. Hit Compile and save. I went back into the data table just to double-check that every setting was correct before testing, and I'm glad I did. I noticed that my burst count was accidentally set to 1 instead of 3. Let's fix that typo real quick. Set it to 3 and save. With that fixed, let's jump into the editor and hit play. We can walk over, grab our pistol and see that it fires. Then walk to the rifle to pick it up from the spawner. It will do the equip montage since it is set to automatically use it. It fires a single shot, and pressing F cycles beautifully through our fire modes. Semi works perfectly, our 3-round burst is firing exactly as intended, and pressing the F key again and holding down the trigger gives us a clean, full auto loop. Pressing F again will cycle back to single shot. There you have it. Our assault rifle is officially fully integrated. If this quick setup helped you scale your weapon system, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, where we take a look at the shotgun with the pellet spread, and I'll see you in the next one.